we are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, some of the most mispronounced ones, including food names and fruit names, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? There are two different pronunciations for it, the American and British pronunciations. In British English, this is said as apricot, apricot. You do want to stress on the first syllable. In American English, however, it is normally pronounced as apricot, apricot in American English versus apricot in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names, including food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.